Hello kids, teacher Mira will teach you how to pronounce word with ending this. Asked. Look, it sounds as ah, and this is letter S. It sounds as s, and this is letter T. T. Alright, together it will sound as asked. Okay, look. This is letter F. It will sound f. Meet, asked. Together it will sound as fast. This is letter C. It pronounced as k. Alright. In Malay, it sounds as ch. But in English, it sounds as k. Meet, asked. Together, it will sound as cast. Next is letter M. It sounds as Meet, asked. It will become must. Alright, now let's read this text together. Fast. I am fast. The fact is that I am fast. I am fast. The fact is that I am fast. Alright, next. This is a cast. This is a cast. The fact is that this is a cast. This is a cast. The fact is that this is a cast. Next one. This is a must. This is a must. The fact is that this is a must. This is a must. The fact is that this is a must. Good job, kids. Alright, teacher one, you guys read again this text. Okay, practice makes perfect. Alright kids, that's all for today. We will going to meet in another subject in the future. Inshaallah. Assalamualaikum.